Welcome to AI Explains It All. Have you ever wondered what makes your muscles contract when you move, lift, or even just breathe? It all comes down to the powerful role of proteins. Muscle contraction is powered by two key proteins, actin and myosin. These proteins work together in a process called the sliding filament theory. Here's how it works. Myosin has tiny paddle-like structures called myosin heads. When your brain sends a signal to your muscles, calcium is released, allowing these myosin heads to latch onto the actin filaments. Once they're connected, the myosin heads pull on the actin, sliding the filaments past each other. This sliding motion shortens the muscle fibers, causing the muscle to contract. ATP, the energy molecule in your cells, powers this whole process. Once the job is done, the myosin heads release the actin, and the muscle relaxes, ready for the next contraction. This complex interaction happens every time you move, whether you're lifting weights or just blinking your eyes. It's an incredible, highly coordinated process, all thanks to proteins like actin and myosin. That's the role of proteins in muscle contraction. Want to learn more about how your body works? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating science breakdowns.